Up for sale is a 2006 extended cab Chevy 3500 dually. This truck is an LBZ Duramax with an Allison 6-speed, and it is 4x4 on the floor. Truck is all stock, runs and drives great. No blow by, anything out of the ordinary. Nothing. Newer interstate batteries. Some of the wiring has been re-loomed, including going down to the starter. This is a dumping flatbed. Kennel hitch. Dual fuel tanks. Cab corners, rockers. Frames solid. Interior's dirty. Seats, the mounts for the seats, for the actual cushions themselves, something, you know, clip or whatever is broke. £3,000 scissor lift. Does have a tarp kit as well. Truck was a municipality truck, fire truck. This is one of their support vehicles. They also used it to plow their lot, as well as a township lot. Inside of the frame, brake lines and stuff like that aren't all completely rotted out. Tires, they're all in good shape. Same with the fronts. I've had some front end parts put on it. Same with this side here. It is starting to rust here, you can see. And there at the front of the fender. It's also starting to bubble right there. And it does have the only spot in the rocker is right there, about the size of my thumb. Work truck interior, crank windows, manual locks, West Coast style mirrors. And it does have a CB radio, which looks like it hasn't been used since '06. Push to talk is all crumpled up. Just all stock work truck.